guys, greetings to you all wherever you may be listening. This is Dark Secrets. Very dark man. Drama. Wonder shall never end. He walked in there. Then, in fact, let me just play the video right away so that you see for yourself. The guy is fearless. Fearless. Alright, let me play it, okay?
Very national. That new building, you might have 3 tools or something.
Alright, you've seen it for yourself. So people are like, is that a kind of jazz? The stuff that have been protecting him? Or it's just a kind of drama? Well, you can see people were hailing him over there. Loved by many, hated by many. That is life. People must hate you. And many also, or some could equally love you. You must find people that like you, no matter how you are, whether an armed robber, whatever. People will still like who they choose to like, okay? So that is it. Though he's doing a fantastic job, fearless and doing the good thing. Yeah, we know he's doing good, right? He's doing good. So, well, we wish him all the best. More grace to his elbow, okay? I'm out of here, man. This is Dark Secret. Please like, share, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about the video you just saw. Did that really shock you? Did that shock you? It shocked you, right? All right, I'm out of here. No play.